Welcome back to ABC for Utah Midday Weather School. One of the favorite things I get to do. We are in Provo today, where there is a little something going on today. Okay, as a class, get to tell me here, Rock Canyon Elementary in Provo, third grade class with Mrs. Miller, Miss Jiraki, and also Miss Legia. Who can tell me, just as a class, shout it out, what's going on tonight? BYU Utah football. Now, the thing is, you see a lot of blue. I was pretty much prepared for that. Now, behind me, I do have one representative here. And hang on here. Let me get up here for a minute. I'm going to put this down that we get to a little bit later. What's your name?
Benson.
Benson. I love that name. That's awesome. Now, I didn't want Benson to feel alone today, so I came prepared. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is there anything you really don't like? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. So here we are. Benson, I am with you, my friend. I wore some Utes colors today, so there might be BYU fans, but I wanted to help present this fine state of ours. I love it out there. Okay. Go Cougars, go Utes. Now, it is midday weather school, so I do have to ask a few questions out there today. So that's fine. The confetti can go. That's just fine, Mrs. Miller. Who can tell me that we were looking at with a big football game, what are we concerned about that might interrupt the football game tonight? Wait a minute. Why don't I ask you? I'll throw this over here. Oh, my goodness. Sorry. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. Yeah, watch out for the confetti. What is your name, kind sir? Dominic. So what are we concerned about, if we can, to hear Dominic, what are we concerned about that might affect the game tonight from a weather standpoint?
A thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm. That's exactly right. So who else can tell me, have we been looking at forecasts to tell us have there been thunderstorms? What was the one thing, do you remember the key word I told you when looking at these different forecasts? Who can tell me what I need to identify and what I'm watching as those forecasts as I'm comparing them, or as they come in? Do you remember that key word? And it was actually something I just did live. Wait a minute. Okay. Who is this up here? What is your name, sir?
McCoy.
McCoy. So the key word is in forecast. I'm trying to identify the change in those forecasts that I see with the data and the info that comes in. And with the data and the info that came in from do you remember that forecast that changes every hour? Does anybody here remember you can just tell me the short name version. You just heard it from our friend over here, Dominic. And is anybody else closer to me? No, McCoy, sorry, and Dominic McCoy. Does anybody know here what that forecast we looked at that updates every hour? Do you remember the name of that forecast? Anybody else? All right. It's just like you and you and you. It's the her. What is it?
The her.
The her. So that forecast has been showing us that there have been chances of rain to come in this forecast. And you know what I'm going to do? I want you to look at our camera with Mr. Uhlberg over here. I'm going to get out of the way so we can get the most important part, which is you. And I'm going to give that forecast very quick. So outside right now, there's a campus of BYU and the forecast for the game. I still have to have a chance of storms in the mix for it here tonight. So real-time temperatures across the region, we're heating up, but we're not going to be as hot as we've been. Temperatures across the region are up too. But the thing is, and I mentioned this earlier, remember with thunderstorms, that means we also have what in our storms? We have what? We get rain, but we also have what? To make it a thunderstorm, what makes thunder? And lightning. Lightning could pose a fire threat today. So that is why we have a red flag warning for the heightened fire threat. So this weak system coming through is the reason why it's tapping into moisture. Live Doppler right now, what we're watching to see is where storms have developed, and right there are the storms that are just starting to go north, even south. Here is the forecast, the most important part. This forecast has been consistent in showing by game time there is still a chance of storms that we have to put into the forecast. So anytime through this afternoon, through even 8 to 9 o'clock, a chance of those storms will exist. The thing is, the chance is still pretty low, that we'd get a chance of storms right at 8:15. I'd give it a 20 to 30% chance. That's not a very good chance, is it? 20%? No, that's a small chance. Our Futurecast forecast for Central and South shows that off the Wasatch Severe Plateaus, we get storms today, and as we go into Thursday, that's the rest of today. If we go Friday into Saturday, that's Labor Day weekend. Did you know that? We're just looking hot. St. George, you're looking at near 105. Salt Lake City, the Wasatch Front, that means Provo in the Wasatch Front. We also will be hot too, with temperatures coming back into the upper 90s, maybe even record-setting. Benson, right?
Mm-hmm.
Who do you want to win tonight?
Utah Utes.
I kind of figured that here at the very end. Who does everybody up here want to win tonight? I kind of figured that too. Mrs. Miller, thank you so much for having us today. Ms. Jiraki, Ms. Leisha. At ABC4 News Utah, we also like to say we're good for Utah. So at the very end, can you guys shout out good for Utah and wave goodbye? Okay, on the count of 3. So at ABC4 News, we are 1, 2, 3 for Utah. Ah, confetti.